Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEWA70, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the screen record icon. In my case it's here. Then just tap here once to start screen recording, and before you start your recording you'll see here the show touches on screen switcher. Now just to switch on the screen touches you should click here once on the switcher, and if you want to turn them off just click here on the switcher again, and that's it. After that you can start your recording just by click here to start button, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.